everyone, this is Matt from drawingtutorialsonline.com. Yeah, we still have the mask on, nothing we can do about that. Fog and glasses, nothing I can do about that. But we can film River's sketchbook. River, how are you?
I'm good.
Awesome, awesome. So we're at the School of Visual Arts, right? Your first year student, foundation drawing?
Yeah.
How you digging SVA?
It's pretty awesome.
And what's your favorite class? Besides mine, of course, right?
Yeah. Probably storyboarding.
Nice, storyboarding. What's your dream job?
Maybe like character designer.
Okay. All right, cool. So River has an amazing sketchbook, and let's dive into it. Now, River has two sketchbooks here. Don't know if we're going to film both of them, but we'll definitely show you part of the second. Now, when did you start this one?
I think like September.
Okay, so this is old. This is going way back to the first week of college, September 10th-ish, September 6th to the 10th. Maybe you started drawing these rough skeletons and you're like, oh God, really?
Yeah.
And so how long have you been drawing? Like you seem like you have a pretty cool grasp on drawing these characters that you enjoy drawing.
As a hobby, probably since like elementary school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so you said dream job. Excuse me, my brain's going a million miles a minute. Storyboarding?
Character designer, but storyboarding too.
Character designer. So your characters, as the sketchbook progresses, pretty good, pretty good. Now, what would you say you've improved upon the most in your first year of school here at SVA?
There's like a lot of aspects, not gonna lie. I think like anatomy, posing, and like those two.
Yes.
Yeah.
I just realized I forgot my little Mobi iPhone holder, so we'll see how my fingers will hold up with filming this. Yeah, that's a crucial element that I've incorporated into filming sketchbooks. It helps so much. Yeah, these are wonderful. And what material do you use? I see a bunch of different materials already.
I use like anything I have, honestly. I use a lot of pen, marker.
Nice. And you love color.
Yeah.
I can see that. Wow, really nice little studies. I love the accent colors. That really makes it so much more fun. And then what about this pen?
This one, I forgot the brand. It's like a felt pen.
Okay.
I really like felt pens.
And you enjoy that. So this is like some of your quintessential character design. Love the color mix with that. What pen is that?
Just like a regular ballpoint.
I see. That's really nice. And this pencil? Green Colorace?
It's like a lead pencil.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I know. You're going to love me for flipping. Your thumbs are going to die here.
Oh, my hands are shaking.
Yeah, I know. Listen, we were just talking about anxiety with bridges. River lives on Staten Island, and going over the Verrazano Bridge is insane for me. I hate driving over bridges, so that's my anxiety, no doubt about it.
Fun.
Yeah, really nice variety that you have in here. And so in my class, in particular, tell me like your love-hate. What do you love about it? What do you hate about it? You know, you can say I hate the homework, like that drawing does. How do you feel about all these homework drawings that I make you do?
First semester, it was a little painful, not gonna lie. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right?
I mean, it really helped me though. I'm really enjoying the homework assignments that like this semester has, but it does take a lot of time.
Yeah. And so the homework assignments, and that's a natural thing because you do these really fun drawings, and then I'm asking you to draw like surface planes and angles, and it's torture, right?
Yeah.
And what's the one thing that you've liked about it? Do you like the figure drawing aspect, or has the life drawing improved your skills?
Yeah, definitely. Those are really fun to do, and I mean, I'm not like hating the landscaping, and you know, it's good background.
Yeah. Your images, your homework images. Now that's a nice drawing right there. So that's really showing me like a ton of improvement that you went out and you tried the tone, which doesn't seem like it's your favorite thing in the world to do the tone, right?
Yeah.
You like more sticking with line.
Yeah.
Yeah, this semester, so fall semester's focused a little bit more on people, and spring semester's focused a little bit more on environments with people in them. And River's homeworks have been really nice. You're really going to excel so much in perspective class next year with the backgrounds. I can't wait for that. That's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
So on average, how much would you say you work out of your imagination versus life versus photos?
Oh my god, like 90% is imagination.
Yeah, right? Because I don't see you copying from many photos. Like these, one was from a photo and one was from life. These were a model and life class, and I could see the rest of them were out of your imagination.
Yeah.
Drawing people's hair. Now, has the life drawing aspect, regardless of the figure drawing, but just changing it up and drawing in these different venues, do you feel as though it's just, forget about your character design, but your eye-hand coordination? Has it helped your eye-hand coordination?
Probably. I'm like getting there.
Okay. What is the one thing that you feel you need to work on the most that you're not necessarily happy with yet?
I've noticed that I draw very boring poses sometimes. You're just kind of like standing there.
I see.
I want to do something more
Action.
dynamic.
Dynamic poses. Yeah. So, okay. I see. I can see that some of them you're trying to push that. Cool. And a traditional portrait, which I'm sure you loved so much, drawing hands and feet. Those are really good, by the way.
Yeah.
I like the color with the Post-its, just a nice flavor to the sketchbook. And how long did this sketchbook take you?
I don't remember. I was basically finished like a week or two before semester ended.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so about the full 3.5 months.
Yeah.
Now, today is February 20-something, and who's one of your favorite artists that's influencing you right now?
Honestly, there's a couple. There's an artist on Twitter I saw the other day. I forgot their name. I think like their name was Joey.
Okay.
Their style is really like I can't describe it. It's really unique and like it just stood out to me so much. I was like, damn, I want to draw like that.
Are they like a modern day are they working in the industry is what I'm trying to ask, or are they just more of like an artist that does hobby stuff?
I think they're just a hobby artist.
Yeah. Wow, these are really nice. Okay, and what is your favorite series or show or movie that has really inspired your work?
There's a couple. I really like the Tangled animated series. What else?
I should have used that in the landscapes. Damn, that
Yeah.
would have been beautiful, huh?
Yeah. What else? Have like All Saints Street is a really good show.
Okay.
It's like a lot of like TV shows or like shows on like the internet that
I see. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for some new imagery for using for perspective class in your class for backgrounds, and I'm running out of ideas, so I really need everybody to write down a nice list of series and shows that I can look at.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. So would you categorize your work under the heading of a little bit more cute and uplifting? I wouldn't call it dark and yeah.
Yeah.
What would you say would characterize your work and the direction you want to take it in terms of your style?
As of lately, I've been thinking like funky.
Funky.
Yeah.
I like that.
But yeah, most of my stuff is like just cutesy, cartoony stuff.
Nice. That's that. Not a fan of yellow, but that yellow is awesome. Wow. So you're really doing a lot of experimenting in your sketchbook.
Yeah.
A wonderful page. Your line has improved a lot, and you're giving us more variety in line in terms of light line and dark line. Some of your earlier pages, like a lot of your lines were the same value, but now you have a lot of variety with it, and it looks, wow. All of these have just, that's really clean, that top left. Nice page. And the way that you're meshing color together with that purpley and the green on the previous page, do more of that. That's really lovely. I will end you, okay? That
Oh,
was
sorry.
pretty funny. No, I was reading the caption in your... Nice. Yeah, so I hope I haven't jinxed you with the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, so when you go over it, like, you'll get a little scared when you're at the peak of the bridge. That's what I hate, when you are driving up, and it's like, okay, what's on the other side of the peak of the hill here, and I hate that. And then as soon as I drive over the peak of the hill, my anxiety goes away. A little bit. Nice. I gotta show you a couple of drawings from a student in the perspective class that I think you would love. Yeah, because what you're doing here with the color is really nice. So that's that felt marker and just like a Sharpie or like highlighters?
Yeah, highlighters.
Cool.
That's the end of this one.
All right, let's check out your other one. How come your glasses are not fogging up? Come on, that's not fair. That's not fair at all.
Should I go through like?
Yeah, let's go through from the beginning. Let's check out the cover. The cover's really fun too. And yeah, there you go. That's how I feel with my glasses fogging up, right there on the lower right. But I digress. Let's keep going. And what? So when you started this new sketchbook, did you have any goals for it? Like in this sketchbook, I want to be better with.
Yeah, I decided like I'm probably gonna do more stuff with the like post-its and just like have fun with decorating my like drawings. Try to make.
Oh wow, you got some figures. Okay. So just a little bit more pushing the boundaries, so to speak.
Yeah, a little bit.
Wow. Poses have gotten better. Sometimes what I see with student sketchbooks is students have the tendency to keep drawing the same thing over and over and over and over again, and they don't get better because they keep staying in their comfort zone. And the key to getting better with your sketchbook is to just try to get out of your comfort zone and draw some things that you don't necessarily want to draw. And that's hard for people because your sketchbook can be like that comfort zone where you just kind of zone out and you draw what you like. So it's kind of works both ways. That's beautiful. It's nice to challenge yourself, but at the same time, you're like, you know what? I get challenged on my homework. Let me just kind of have fun in my sketchbook. Yeah, this is nice. You're using different colors too.
Mm-hmm.
Gorgeous little experimentation with watercolor. That's a killer shirt right there.
I love those shirts.
Nice. And what are your plans for the spring break? You just gonna zonk out and sleep?
I wish. I gotta do a lot of stuff for other classes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you been doing some of the gestures with the model in class in here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this sketchbook was started when? In January?
December.
December, okay, you started it right away.
Yep.
Nice. A little bit smaller sketchbook. I let everyone kind of choose the one that they wanted. That's a nice page. What pencil is that?
Another ballpoint.
Wow. It's really deceiving on my phone. And these are some of your sketches for the homework assignment.
Yeah.
Awesome. I think yours really looked polished. Your homeworks, like you were able to create a nice look with them, so that's a good thing. Awesome. And we will share River's social below in the show more part of the video. And you'll have to give that to me before you leave today.
All right.
Where can we find you? Can we find you on Instagram or YouTube? Where do you like to hang out?
Twitter mostly, but I
Twitter?
also have Instagram.
Okay. Okay, nice. Some diversity with the trees.
Yeah.
Tree drawing class.
Yeah, this is the end of it.
All
so
right. Well, River, thank you so much for sharing. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you soon, okay?
Yep, thank you.
All right, cool. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll put River's info in the show more down below and give it a thumbs up. We'll see you soon.